Infosys, meantime, on the other hand, is one stock which is acutely under pressure as the litigation in the US continues to haunt the company. In the latest in the latest update, Infosys is under now the scanner of the US Department of Homeland Security for possible errors in identity verification or the I-9 forms as well. Remember, Infosys is already battling a B-1 visa misuse case in the US and is also the target of a larger investigation by the US grand jury of Texas. What impact can the latest case have on the stock, which is currently down by about almost 3.5% already? Chandra Ranganathan is here with more details on that. Chandra.
Absolutely, Aisha. Wars certainly seem to continue to haunt Infosys as far as its US operations are concerned. Now, the latest case because of which it's come under the scanner of the US Department of Homeland Security has to do with I-9 forms, which are basically identity verification forms, forms that need to be filled up to authorize any employee to work in the United States. Now, Infosys has said in an SEC filing that the Department of Homeland Security has found errors in some of these forms and that the company has provided information to the DHS for further review. It's also said that in case the final outcome is negative, it could lead to penalties and strictures, but it's not in a position to quantify how much that penalty is going to be. But from a sentimental point of view, it's clearly a big blow for the company after the dismal results and also the multiple cases that it's battling in the US. You have the whistleblower complaint from Jack Palmer on B-1 visa misuse. Then you also have a US grand jury investigating the company for possible lapses in B-1 use. So clearly this will weaken the sentiment and it could also weaken Infy's case in US, because remember, the Jack Palmer case is coming up for trial in August and it's also election year in the US. So clearly this is a spot of bother that Infosys could have done well without.